Hello, I'm Paddy from creativemedia.org.uk, and today I'm here with my brand new Warble, which I just bought. It looks a lot like any other penny whistle, but unlike this one, it actually makes no sound at all because it's got a wire of its own, and it controls things like this app here, which is a Swedish sackpiper simulation app written by a guy called Michael Eskin, who writes a whole range of similar kinds of things. I'll do a review of this sometime soon, I hope, but for now I just want to play it, and this is especially for my friend Julia, who's a big fan of Swedish instruments. Thanks for listening.